Lucy Bunny 99. Hello everybody, this is Lucy Bunny 99, aka Elizabeth Dotson here. Welcome back for more video of video games lesson. This video it might be short because this don't have list of games here. So this one is zone. So this might be short video. So remember, all these videos in this lesson are spoiler ahead. Please focus on playing all your favorite video games and everything else first before watch this video. Now, without further ado, let's get boogie. So that's done. So I'm see you all in the next video. But remember, there are two things on teams: or to sign, or to win the fight. And don't forget to take the next step as well. Right here. And there too. Two of them. And please support them very well. They will be very happy if you guys support them. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.